Hey guys, welcome to Firearms Fridays. I'm Dr. Jen. Today's challenge is get off the X. On the buzzer, you'll be seat belted in the car. You need to unbelt and get out of the car. And you're gonna run as fast as you can to the 25. Once you get to the 25, you're gonna draw your gun and you're gonna hit one steel on each side. You're gonna run up to the 10-yard line and you're gonna do 1, 1, and 1. Magazine change, emergency magazine change behind the barrier, 1, 1, and 1, and that'll be your time. Got the 2 steals, 2, 2, and 2. Beat my score, win a prize.